Google American Roof Pros Florida. Roofing solutions for every home. Call 727-433-5413 today.
Will homeowners insurance pay for a new roof? Hi everyone, Alex Comer here from American Roof Pros in Tampa, Florida. It's a question that brings a lot of stress relief when the answer is yes, and a lot of headaches when the answer is no. Will homeowners insurance pay for a new roof? The truthful but slightly complex answer is that it depends entirely on the cause of the damage and the type of coverage you have. For Florida homeowners, understanding these two factors is the key to navigating the claims process successfully. First, insurance is designed to cover sudden and accidental damage caused by a covered peril, not problems stemming from neglect or old age. In Florida, that almost always means storm damage. Your policy will typically cover roof replacement or major repairs if the damage was caused by things like hurricane or tropical storm winds, hail impact, a tree or debris falling onto the roof, or fire. If we inspect your roof and determine that the shingles are missing because they were ripped off by a named storm, or if there's widespread granule loss and denting from hail, the claim is almost certainly covered, provided your policy is active and in good standing. However, insurance will not cover roof replacement solely because of age, wear and tear, or lack of maintenance. If your roof is 25 years old and simply at the end of its useful life, or if the leak is caused by you neglecting to clean your gutters for 5 years, that cost falls squarely on the homeowner. Insurance companies have become very strict about this distinction, especially in our high-risk state. An adjuster will look for evidence that the damage is new and storm-related, not pre-existing or due to natural deterioration. The second and often most confusing factor is the type of payout your policy provides, which hinges on two terms: actual cash value, ACV, and replacement cost value, RCV. Understanding which one you have determines how much you'll actually receive. An RCV policy is the gold standard. It agrees to pay the full cost to replace your damaged roof with a new one, minus your deductible, without deducting for depreciation. This is the coverage you want. On the other hand, an ACV policy pays only the depreciated value of your roof. Since the roof deck is constantly aging here in the Florida sun, an ACV payout for a 15-year-old roof can be significantly lower than the true cost of replacement, leaving you to pay the difference out of pocket. Many insurers in Florida are now shifting older roofs, 15 years or more, to ACV coverage, so it is vital you review your policy's declarations page to know exactly what kind of coverage you have. To maximize your chances of a successful claim here in Tampa Bay, remember to act fast. Once the storm passes, safely document the damage with photos and videos. Next, call a reputable, licensed local contractor like American Roof Pros immediately. We can perform a professional, comprehensive inspection, provide the detailed code-compliant report, and estimate your insurance company needs, and help ensure all the necessary damage is properly documented for the adjuster. Do not wait for a small leak to become a massive problem, as this delay can be used against you by the insurer. By understanding your policy and acting quickly after a covered event, you give yourself the best shot at getting the full replacement you need. Until next time, this is Alex Comer reminding you, a strong home starts with a reliable roof.
Google American Roof Pros Florida. Roofing solutions for every home. Call 727-433-5413 today.
I'm Alex Comer, owner of American Roof Pros, proudly serving the Tampa Bay area. If you're like most homeowners, your home is your most valuable possession, so you want to make sure your roof does its job in protecting your home's value. When it comes to repairing your roof, you want to do business with a company you can trust to repair it quickly, correctly, and without being pressured into a full replacement you don't actually need. Here at American Roof Pros, we do high-quality repairs with no minimums and no upsells. We assign a dedicated project manager to every job, so you're never left wondering what's going on. We show up when we say we will, we treat your property with respect, and we clean up like it's our own home. So, whether you need a simple repair or a full roof replacement, call 727-433-5413 today and get the honest help you deserve.
Google American Roof Pros Florida. Roofing solutions for every home. Call 727-433-5413 today.